Okay, guys, what's up? This is Crunch coming at you. Today I'm going to show you a few techniques that I use usually for converting video files. This comes in handy whenever you're trying to change something that you may have recorded, whether it be Xbox or PS3 or game videos or video DVDs or whatever. Um, a couple ways that'll help you convert them over and to pretty much any format you want, whether it's for iPods or your like cell phones or basically anything you want your video on. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you today is called Ultramobile 3GP Video Converter. This is a very good program. I found it on YouTube. Just type in Ultramobile 3GP Video Converter, and you'll find quite a few videos that come up and show you where to go download it and give you the keys and stuff. It's a very simple program to use. You have your add files, you convert your settings. The most that you might have any kind of issue with is just your settings. This will be, your output formats, your video codecs, audio codecs, how you want them to come out. But if you don't want to go into that, what you have to do is go down here to output info or output format. And as you can see here, they have it for your iPhones, which your iPhone will be pretty much the same as your iPod. They have a bunch of different, phone brands: Samsung, Motorola, Nokia. If you want to put it onto your phone, so that way you can carry it around, every day. But 90% of the time, what you're going to be able to find your format that you want in your general video. MP4 is usually the best format to put for your iPod Nano, iPod Touch, whatever you want. But they do have AVI, WMV, 3G2, 3GP for phones or whatever. You can also do audio profile or audio files. Your MP3 to M4A, AAC, WMA. But yeah, so this is really simple. Simply go to add files. How about we do this? Use the Modern Warfare 2 50 cal headshot montage that I just recently put up on YouTube. As you can see here, it's a pretty small file, 2-minute video, 51 megabytes. But I have an MP4 right now, so how about we go ahead and change that over to AVI. Now I have it here for the best quality that's available. You can change your video size from everything from 128/96 up to 720/480, and you can even customize it to what you'd like. But 90% of the time, whenever you pick your video quality, it'll automatically pick that. So once you have that, you can also choose your output folder. As you can see, I just have it on the folder that actually sets up whenever you download it. So just hit convert, and here you go. Now this program is a very quick program. It runs very smoothly. As you can see, I just started it, and it's already at close to 15%. So, some converters can take quite a long time to convert your file. This one, however, is actually really quick. Plus, it has the playthrough system. So if you add numerous files, it'll go start converting 2 files. Once one's done, it'll start another one, and so on and so forth until all the files in the list are converted. So again, if you have a bunch of videos that you edited to put on YouTube and you need to change the format of them, you can put them all in one list and convert them without a problem. So as you can see here, it's taking about 50 seconds since it's 75%. So, again, it is a small file, but still, this is pretty quick with almost anything. I've used it for DVD files, a bunch of different products, and it works rather well. So as you can see, it's completed. It finished in about a minute, 10 seconds. So, but you can just simply go into your profile, and here it is converted. And another thing I like about this is it doesn't take down the quality. As you can see here, it actually, is in pretty close to the same quality that's what's on YouTube. So, it's a very, very good converter. It doesn't, pixelate the quality at all. It usually keeps it relatively similar to what it was. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to show you, it's not a program so much, but it's more of a web tool. It's called Zamzar.com. So just go to Google or whatever search engine, type in Zamzar, Zamzar, and it'll usually be the first thing that pops up. Sorry for the internet being slow. I'm uploading stuff right now, actually. Um, so yeah, as you can see here, it is. Just go on to here. Now this is a 100% free site. Don't have to sign up for anything. Just go on here, do what you need to do, end of story. Now all you do with this is go browse your computer, select the file you want, and you can come over here and choose the format. Now this isn't limited to video and audio. It can do pictures, documentations, music, videos, ebooks. You can even choose RAR and zip files. So for instance, if maybe you don't have a WinRAR, you can select a file and change it to a zip file, so that way you can just extract it all straight to your computer without having to download WinRAR. Now all you have to do with this is just type in your email address and hit convert. Usually after about 10 to 15 minutes, you'll receive an email with a link. Once you click on this link, it'll bring you to a Zamzar page that'll let you download the file to your computer in the new format. Once you download it, it's on your computer in the format you need, perfectly fine, ready to go. And one thing I do like about the site, say if you have to change a video to edit it, and something happens to you end up deleting it or whatever, Zamzar will actually hold it in their system for 24 hours. So if you're doing something right after you just saved it onto your computer, you can actually go back on here, go back to that link in your email, and re-download it again for free. Another thing I like about this is you can use this to pull videos from the internet. Now, I mean by this, you can pull videos from YouTube, pretty much any playable video, whether it be Yahoo, Google Images, whatever. You can just come over here. It will say select files or URL. Click on the URL. Now all you have to do with this is go into your YouTube video, let's say, copy the address bar. And once you do that, you'll paste it in here. Again, convert it to whatever file you want, whether it be MP4 or WMV or whatever you want to change it to. Put your email address in again and convert. Again, you'll get your link and you can save it to your computer. Now you can do that with, like I said, almost any video. So if you want to pull music videos from YouTube or your own videos that you may have lost on your computer or whatever, you can do that. One downside to this is it does bring the quality down just a little bit. It's not something that's going to bother 90% of the people. 90% of people. I personally will use it without a problem. However, some people who are hardcore, best quality, they might have a little bit of issue with it. But for the general user, it'll still be in, perfectly fine quality to where, you're not really going to have to worry about it. So, those are just two tools that I use to help convert some videos and files. I hope this helps things out. Alright.